about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay.
These fluffy muffins start with 1 cup of blended oats. No need to buy oat flour, just grind some old-fashioned oats. Our friend gifted us these bananas, and ripe ones get chucked in along with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of runny tahini, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I like to add in almond extract, but you can add in vanilla. Add a pinch of salt and blend it all together, making this an easy one-pot deal. Stir in 1/3 cup of frozen blueberries and pour to the top of your liners. For being so simple, yet free of gluten, egg, or dairy, these bake up incredibly soft and fluffy. Dot the tops with more blueberries and bake at 375 for about 16 minutes. These are melt in your mouth and completely scrumptious, but you don't have to feel guilty eating or sharing these. The almond is a lovely complement, and each bite is bursting with blueberries. I promise you, you won't even miss the egg and dairy, and when I shared these, no one could even tell they were gluten-free. If you make these, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at @squishymonster, and I'll see you soon.